Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, June 19th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I got good news and bad news. The good news is we made money. The bad news is we didn't make nearly as much money as I thought we should have. Unfortunately, today I took a screenshot of it. I took a screenshot of our open trade equity about 4 minutes into the market day, and we had over $17,000 in open trade equity. Now that was up from positive $10,000 on the close yesterday, so that looked really good. In fact, we were almost up to the high point of where we were yesterday, 4 minutes into the market day today. That was the sweet spot. Unfortunately, it got worse after that, and by the time we closed out at 45 minutes into the day, we only closed out a little over $4,000. So, it's tough when I watch $13,000 in profits melt away in about 35 minutes. That's really hard. But that is what happened today. Dow fell. Obviously, I called it down. I was right. It fell 100 points today, and that fall started right at the beginning of the day, and it kept going all day long, and it closed on its low. So as far as the Dow call, I'm calling it down on Monday, and we are only in one position. And so, as far as I'm concerned, the thing can go down 500 points on Monday. Don't think it's going to do that. But I would, it would be nice if it really took a hard fall on Monday, because we're not at all exposed. And, we made pretty good money on this upswing here. I'd like to get another one of those upswings. In spite of my moaning and groaning, we have closed out $18,000 in profits in the past 2 days. So I wouldn't mind to see this thing come down again, and when we don't have hardly any exposure at all, and we can make more money on the upswing. I mean, that's how our system works, and at least that's the way it should work, and why we were able to make money even in less than desirable market conditions. Anyway, I'll show you some of the trades today. I'll show you just one stock that kind of shows why we were having problems on the open this morning. This is Rave Restaurant Group. I think I showed this to you yesterday. We got this big run up here. When Rave was up here, we were up over $4,000 on that stock. I mean, it was really looking great. It did pull back some, but we still had over $3,000 on the close, and it did pop up just a little bit for a few minutes. And that, when I'm talking about that 4 minutes after the open, Rave's up here, and it's up over $3,000, and then whoa. See what happened here. We got out of this thing and we got $1,200, but we've gone from over $3,000 to $1,200 in less than 40 minutes. So that kind of hurt. The other factor that was hurting us today, and this really upsets me a little, because these are my stock picks. These are the new stocks I picked and sent out to everybody at the beginning of the week, and this is CMCM, which is Cheetah Mobile, and we had taken a little profit yesterday. I don't know, that might have been a couple $1,000, I can't remember, but anyway, we went from there to there. That was pretty decent. But then we got the re-entry yesterday, and this thing is just like this big loop here. Went profitable, then started against us, closed against us, and then bam, down on close to the open today, and that cost us $2,800. So that really hurt. That was a new stock that didn't do very well. But what really bugged me is we had 3 other new stocks, new positions. Every one was negative. So our new portfolio really hurt us today. We had over $17,000 in winning trades. We had $13,000 in losing trades, and a good chunk of that came out of these new stocks. So I'm not happy about our new stock list, at least today. I mean, that all can turn around. That can turn around very quickly, but it didn't look good for us today. We did have some good trades though, and if we didn't have good trades, we wouldn't have profits today. This is in Sempra, and we had bought this yesterday right out of the gate, and it kept going. And our exit here wasn't as great as we could have. You can see again here that this is where the sweet spot was right after the open. We got out here instead, but we still took out a positive $2,300 out of Sempra. And finally, and lastly, this was the stock that I was worried most about, was Radius Health, and that really came through with us. My worries were unwarranted. We had, let me tighten this up here so you can see the buy. Yeah, we'd bought this 2 days ago, and we had the huge gap up yesterday. It held pretty much all day yesterday, and it held today too. And so when we got out, we still got out with over $12,000 in Radius Health. Radius Health saved the day for us. It overcame all that negative crap that we were dealing with today, and that's because of that we still have over $4,000 in profit after everything was closed out, even the negative stuff. So let's hear it for Radius Health. It saved the day. It was our hero. Anyway, that's the way it went. This is Trader Bob signing off. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.